Welcome to today's Library of Divine Echoes Deep Dive, where we explore the profound, the mystical, and the deeply personal with an air of curiosity and wonderment. I'm Christopher Little, your host, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of spirit animal guides. Whether you're a seasoned spiritual seeker or just curious about the concept, this deep dive is for you. Spirit animal guides. These mystical companions have been a part of human culture and spirituality across the globe for centuries. From Native American traditions to shamanic practices around the world, the idea of a spirit animal as a guide and protector has deep roots. A spirit animal guide is an animal that spiritually represents an individual, providing insight, guidance, and support. Different cultures have different interpretations and practices surrounding spirit animal guides. For instance, in Native American traditions, spirit animals are revered as messengers and protectors. Spirit animal guides are believed to help us navigate life's challenges, understand our own behaviors and instincts, and connect more deeply with the natural world. So, how do you identify your spirit animal guide? It's a deeply personal journey, but there are several ways to start. Self-reflection. Consider the animals you have always felt drawn to. Think about your dreams, the animals you encounter frequently, and your innate characteristics. Meditation. One powerful method is through guided meditation. By entering a relaxed meditative state, you can open yourself up to receiving messages from your spirit animal. Dream interpretation. Pay attention to your dreams. Often our spirit animals visit us in our dreams, bringing messages and guidance. Once you've identified your spirit animal guide, the next step is to start communicating with them. This relationship is built on mutual respect, trust, and openness. Meditation and visualization. Regularly meditate and visualize your spirit animal. Imagine them standing beside you, guiding you through life's journey. Symbolism and rituals. Incorporate symbols of your spirit animal into your daily life. This could be through artwork, jewelry, or even rituals that honor their presence. Mindfulness. Stay mindful of your spirit animal's characteristics and how they manifest in your life. Reflect on the lessons they bring and the support they offer. Integrating your spirit animal guide into your life is about embodying their qualities and lessons in your daily actions and decisions. Embrace their qualities. If your spirit animal is a wolf, for example, embrace qualities like loyalty, intuition, and courage. Live mindfully. Make conscious choices that honor your spirit animal's teachings. This could be in how you interact with others, how you approach challenges, or how you care for the environment. Gratitude and reflection. Regularly express gratitude to your spirit animal and reflect on the guidance they've provided. And now, let's move into a guided meditation designed to help you identify, communicate with, and integrate your lifelong spirit animal guide. Begin by finding a comfortable and quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Inhale slowly, filling your lungs with air, then exhale, letting go of any tension. As you continue to breathe deeply, feel your body becoming more relaxed with each breath. Imagine a warm, golden light enveloping you, starting from the top of your head and slowly moving down to your toes, releasing any remaining tension. Picture yourself standing in a beautiful, serene, natural setting. This could be a forest, a meadow, or by a tranquil river. Feel the ground beneath your feet and the gentle breeze on your skin. Look around and take in the sights, sounds, and scents of this place. Feel the sense of peace and connection to the natural world. Silently, in your mind, invite your spirit animal guide to join you in this sacred space. Be patient and open, knowing that they will come to you in the right time and way. As you wait, continue to breathe deeply and maintain a sense of openness and curiosity. When your spirit animal appears, observe them closely. Take note of their appearance, their behavior, and the energy they bring. Greet your spirit animal with respect and gratitude. You may choose to speak to them or simply feel their presence. Spend some time connecting with your spirit animal. You may ask them questions, seek guidance, or simply share a moment of silent understanding. Trust that your spirit animal will communicate with you in the way that is most meaningful for you. Before concluding the meditation, thank your spirit animal for their guidance and presence. Visualize integrating their energy, wisdom, and qualities into your own being. Feel yourself becoming more aligned with their strengths and teachings. Slowly bring your awareness back to your physical body. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to reflect on your experience and consider any messages or insights you received. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. I hope this exploration of spirit animal guides has been enlightening and that the meditation has helped you connect with your own guide. Remember, your spirit animal is always with you, offering guidance and support as you navigate life's path. Until next time, stay curious, stay connected, and keep diving deeper